Hello and good day. Another day to solve a problem in Leetcode. So today we are talking about the Leetcode 189 concerning the rotation of the array. So in this case now you're saying given an integer array norms, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. So basically what it's trying to tell us is that we should rotate this array in this particular case 3 steps. So in this case, we move 7 to the beginning of the array, eventually we moved 6, and eventually we moved 5. So it's going to be 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 steps. So in this one, in this example, too, the steps we're going to move is twice. So we move 99 first, and then we move 3. So it's going to be 399 minus 1 and minus 100. So how are we going to do this? So the basic idea of this is, so if you have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what we do is, first of all, we flip it. We flip the array from the beginning to the end to give us like a reversal of the array 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then after that, we map how many steps which we are told we are supposed to rotate the array. In this case, it's 3 steps. So we flip from the beginning to end of the 3 steps. So 7, 6, 5, that's what we're going to flip. So if you flip it, it's going to be 5, 6, 7, and then we have 4, 3, 2, 1. Then after that, we flip the remaining part of the array. So we begin from k to the end of the array. So it's going to be 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, this is what we want to achieve. So we first of all define the function for flipping of the array, which in this case is, let's call it flip, then index I and index j. So we say while I is less than j, so numbers I, we assign to numbers j, and the value at index j will be assigned to the value at index I. So our I increased by 1, our j reduced by 1. Now it's flipped, it's rotated around by k steps. So the value for that should be k modulus of the length of the array. N is equal to the length of the array length. And then k is going to be k mod the length of the array. Then after that, we call our function. So the function we're going to call is flip from the beginning of the array to the end of the length of the array. We flip it again from the beginning of the array to the number of steps, to k minus 1. Then we flip it again from now. After the k minus 1 is going to be k. So from the position after k minus 1 to the end of the array, so it's k minus 1 and then n minus 1. And you need to work out this part of k. So run this. It's still running. It's going to work out. It's taking a little bit of time. I think it's a network issue. Let's try it again. So it worked. Actually, I made a mistake at this place and wrote k minus 1, but I've corrected it. So it's going to be k and then 0n minus 1, 0k minus 1, and then kn minus 1. So it got accepted, and then we are going to submit it. So it worked out. So this is just a way of solving this problem. There are other methods of solving that. You can check it out and then on your own and see how you can explore and find more creative ways of solving this particular problem. But this is just one of the methods of rotating the array according to the right bytecode steps.